Okay, after we come out of the conference room, we come out here and we let Bill take it away.
Okay, in this area we normally talk about the trucks, the way they pull in, how they are unloaded by our staff. While the staff is unloading the trucks, the customer service reps are in downloading their equipment. That in turn generates lists to build my bulk routes for the following week. Gives me the counts that I need for my bulk.
And so this is where we don't have any trucks in here right now loading and unloading, but the trucks pull in this driveway right here and we unload them, and the clothes go up into these soil bags in this sling system up above here. Since we're done for the day, there will be a bunch of black bags full of garments and mats and everything hanging up there. And the trucks will pull forward up here, and we wash them once a week, and then we load the what we call the bulk, which is all the towels and the mats, and then they back up to our rail system. The trucks back up to the rail system right here, and then the garments come out on these trolleys, and we load the garments in the back of the trucks, and then we pull them out this door and take them back to our parking area. Okay. You show them the soap system too?
We would also talk about our partnership with Dover Chemicals and the use of their products, the weighing of our loads, the flow meter system and the measurement of our products, the fail-safes on the equipment itself as far as should a drum become empty. It's an automatic alarm. It shuts down the entire wash floor and holds the steps in the wash process until the corrections have been made, product has been converted over, and the fault released. I guess I'll use that.
That's fine. Here's where the scale. This actually weighs the loads. Everything's all weight controlled. And there's the scale right there. Alright. Okay, after that area then. Good luck. Okay, out here we got our mat rolling area.
And we talk about our mat chipping, how the chipping process works, how the computer, as the mat passes through the roller, is assigned to the bin that it goes to for the particular route and day. And that is broken down by color, size.
So after the mats are rolled, the loads are built right from the loading by this computer right here. The garments, the mats are chipped. This reader here picks up tells us what kind of mat it is, and then this screen tells us which load, route, and day to put it on. So all these carts are queued up by route and day, so they're just filled up and then they're pushed over there when they're done to the loading area. Okay, and this is our wash aisle out here.
This area we talk about our poundage, what we wash in a year's time. We also talk about the integration between the washers, the soap system, and the dryers, and the shuttle conveyor. It's an automated wash floor, basically a hands-free operation once the garments are placed into the washers.
Okay.
We also then talk about the garment grading process for individual customers and explain that A-grade garments come through our smaller washers and all the industrial wash comes through the large capacity washers.
Okay. This is the small washers. We have a couple small washers when we don't have big enough loads, and also, like Bill said, some of the like the exec wear for service riders with the car dealers and stuff, they get handled a little more gentler than in a big wash aisle.
We stop and have the gal do some shirt pressing so they can see the individualized attention given to the executive wear, and then we'll step down and do the same process with the pant press.
Okay.
We briefly discussed our towel folding area. Our towels are still all hand folded, and and we process about 66,000 a week.
Okay.
Key point here is they are inspected.
Yeah, inspected and folded into nice bundles instead of shoved into a plastic bag with no folding going on. Old school. Yeah, we're old school, traditional. The way Grandpa Joe taught us to do it. We got good pictures of this area here. This is where we hang all the garments that go through up through our steam tunnel up on the mezzanine. So this is where 90% of the garments are finished and scanned. We scan them down here at this station. We got a good picture of that too. The actual scanning of the garments, the barcode, to control shortages. Oh, you talking about a water system a little bit here?
Yep. Normally we talk about the heat recovery. Point out that we capture the water from our washers, run it through a recycling tube that contains the cold water from the city, and we capture the heat from the wastewater into our cold city water and then store it in our tanks for daily use.